You won't believe how Green Berets chased enemies in Afghanistan. They used dirt bikes. Up in the mountains, regular trucks were too slow and way too easy to see. The enemy kept escaping by taking tiny hidden trails, thinking US troops could never follow them. So the Green Berets switched to dirt bikes, fast, quiet, and perfect for rough terrain. But here's the crazy part. They added special rifle mounts right on the bikes. This let them ride in, aim, and fire without even getting off. They could hit a target in seconds, then disappear before anyone could react. Fast, silent, and deadly. Let me know what you think about this bike, and don't forget to subscribe.